Welcome to the class, dear students. In today's lecture, I am going to explain the pure mathematics course, in which the first topic is the functions. So, to understand a function, first we have to understand a relation. What is meant by the relation? A relation is in between any two quantities, always there is a relationship. Yes. For example, if you take the time and distance, yes, when the time increases, the distance also increases. And the age and health, as the age increases, the health automatically it deteriorates. Similarly, the weight of a growing child, if you take, as the time passes on, the weight of the growing child also increases. And altitude, as the altitude increases, the distance also increases. The hard work and the performance, as you do the hard work, the performance of course gives you better percentage or better CGPA, everything. So depends on any two quantities. If you take, definitely there is a relationship between the two quantities. So that is called as a relation. Always a relation in a mathematical way. How we define a relation means relation is an ordered pair of elements. Relation is an ordered pair. Ordered pair means a pair of elements which are kept in an order. That means, for example, if you have 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 3 comma 5, 4 comma 6, something like this. So this is called as a relation. We generally denote by R. So in this, each and every term, that is 1 comma 2 is an ordered pair, 1 comma 3 is an ordered pair, 2 4, 3 5, 4 6, these are the ordered pairs, in which you are having the first element is the one in the bracket, whatever you are writing 1 comma 2, first element is the element which is in the domain set. So that means when mathematically or graphically when you define the relation between the two sets, let us say A and B or any two sets, then if you have the relation as like this, suppose, then I take the two sets A and B like this, and then I start writing all the first ordered first element, that means 1 is repeated, so no need to write repetition, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4. So these are the elements which are there in A. That is the first set. And the elements which are there in the second set is B, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All these second elements, whatever you have, these second elements 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these elements are there in the set, in the second set B. Now the ordered pair, how it is being defined, 1 to 2 like this, and then 1 to 3, yes, and then 2 to 4, yes, and then 3 to 5, and then 4 to 6, 4 to 6. So this is called as a relation. Now let me give you one more example. So R is the set of all ordered pairs 1 comma 3, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 7, 4 comma 9, like this. Now what is our set A? The set A and the set B. How will you rewrite the set A and B's? So look at this now. That is, the set A is this, the set B is this. Now that is, first elements are 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the second elements are 3, 5, 7, and 9. So 1 to 3, 2 to 5, 3 to 7, and 4 to 9. This is also another relation. This is also, let me call this as R2. R1 is this and R2 is this. Like this we can define the relation. So relation means what? It is the set of all ordered pairs. Now I'll explain you about the element, the set, first set, what I said. The first set consists of all the, in the ordered pair, whatever the first elements are there, those elements are there in the first set. The second elements in the ordered pair, they are there in the second set, B set. Now the set A is called as the set A, this is called as domain. And the set B is called as codomain. Is called as codomain. Now, when you write R is this is and these elements. Now here, what are the images and the pre-images? So the images are 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 are the images. These are all called as the images which are there in the codomain set. These are all called as the images. And all the elements which are there in the domain set, they are called as the pre-images. Pre-images. Now, the element 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the images. The elements 1, 2, 3, 4 are called as the pre-images. So, this is about the relation. So, relation means what? It is an ordered pair. Consists of, it is a set of, relation is an ordered pair. That means it may be a set of ordered pairs or a single ordered pair is also a relation. Is a set of ordered pairs, you can even write. So, relation is a set of ordered pairs. Set of ordered pairs. It may have even one element, one ordered pair also. Then we say that it is a relation. So it is a set of all ordered pairs also. It is a relation. So domain is called as a set of all pre-images. Codomain is the set of all images. Okay. Now when I write this is the relation, now I will go to the definition of a function. So in this, whatever the relations you are taking, all the relations will not be the functions. Remember that. One important note here you have to note is all relations are not the functions. All relations are not the functions. So this is the first important observation. But when do you say that a relation is a function? When each element in the set, in the domain set, has different images. So now if you have the set 1 in this R1 is a relation. In this relation R1, 1 is having the image 2, also it has the image 3. So, if the element 1 has two images, which is a relation but not a function. As I told you, there is a set consisting of the ordered pairs. As one image is different, two images is different, three images different, four images different. So, definitely we say that it is a function. So, different elements must have different images, you can say. Or then we say that different the elements in the set A, domain in the set in the domain set A, all the elements should have different images. Suppose then we say that it is a function. Okay. So, but it is not a function because for one the same element you have two images, which is not a function but only a relation. I hope you could understand. So, I will write one more point here that R1 is a relation but not a function. R1 is a relation but not a function, whereas R2 is a function because it's a relation already. So now it is a function. I hope you could understand. So what is meant by the relation, and now we are going to do the exact functions are what and what are the types of functions. Vertical line test for a function, horizontal line test for a function, domain of a function, all these we will be discussing. So now I have told you about the domain and codomain, right? Now I am going to explain you about the range. What is meant by the range? Range is the set of all images. Range is the set of all images under a relation. Okay. So now it is something like this. Suppose, for example, I have another example I will give you here.